Gym equipment, in particular, is a breeding ground for bacteria. Multiple people use machines, and gym rooms are generally a warm environment, both of which increase the likelihood that bacteria are lingering on items. Regularly disinfecting gym equipment can help decrease the number of harmful bacteria in close contact with any member in this crucial times. So, have you disinfected your gymnasium ever? Probably never. Shuddhi prevents the growth and spread of pathogens with utmost priority for your fitness center. As an owner of the facility, you should be aware of the fact that more than 600 microbes, including viruses, bacteria, fungi, and algae, can grow on different surfaces of a facility if not disinfected professionally. Microbes easily reside on a metal surface and untouched corners. There is no shortage of such metal surfaces, bends, and junctions in a gymnasium. From the surfaces, contagious germs spread to the human body and the surrounding environment. Several research works have been accomplished on microbes' characteristics and the intensity of colonization of such microbes in gyms. These research works show that exercise machinery and equipment are breeding grounds of microbes, and some of these microbes are incredibly contagious and airborne. That is why sanitization of every machinery used in a gym is a big must. Sanitization of floor, walls, counters, and changing rooms or washrooms should be a must job in a gym. Fitness freak clients get confidence when they know that their gym owner is serious about cleaning and sanitization. Word of mouth spreads faster than wildfire. The modern generation prefers to visit a gym that provides modern equipment, the best trainers, and a hygienic environment. From early morning to late evening, a modern and reputed gym never remains empty, whereas sanitization is a time-consuming job. So, as an owner of the gym, you have to find out a suitable solution. Shuddhi, a quick and easy solution for your gym.